Hi, I am going today to talk about U2-X Pro, a wireless adapter from Ottocast, which convert a wired car to a wireless car. Stay tuned. U2-X Pro is used to convert wired cars that support CarPlay and Android Auto to a wireless CarPlay or Android car. Ottocast is specialized in Apple CarPlay wireless adapter device that adds wireless connectivity functions to any car's wired CarPlay or Android car. So this is the device. It's a small packaged, and it's also you won't find a lot of things. This is of course the guide manual if you want to really read it. So it's maybe helpful if you don't know how to run it. And maybe it's also good to just to have an idea for the first time. Also, you have two cables with it, so one from type A to C and another cable also from type C to C. I see it, the cables, it's too short, let me say that, but you know, the thing is that you don't really want it a long cables, because you want to keep this hide somewhere or something like this. As you see here, also you have from a side type A, USB side type A, and you have also USB type C. And as you see, it's the Ottocast name from the company stand out in the front of the product. So we are going to experience this adapter on this car. It's Mercedes GLC 200. It's 2020 model, as I believe. So, and you just need to connect it for the first time in the car. As you see here on the screen, just plug it in with the car. Just it will take maybe 15 seconds or min 15 second just to be connected with your car. As you see here, also you need to, of course, to search via the Bluetooth for the device, connect with it for the first time, and then you forget it. As you see here, also just press on the screen, confirm that this is your device, and then it will be connect all the time. As you see here, the screen of the device, it's not gonna fill all the screen of the car. I don't know why it is this, but maybe they just design it like this. Maybe they will have an update in the future, but you can see there's a lot of programs or apps will show up on the screen, and you can still go back to the main screen of your car. And as you see here, this is a program which just we maybe use in Netherlands, and this is also Google Maps. I prefer really Waze, and you can see also that you have Waze on in this program, and you have also some settings to maybe if you want to change the background of the device, if you want to choose another things. So that's also depends on you, and you can still of course go back to the main screen and try another things, and maybe change the settings on your way. You can see also that you have the time, the date, and of course there's some social app. I don't know why there is maybe no Instagram or no another things, but I really don't know. But you can you have WhatsApp, you have Vero. The thing is that I didn't manage to just zoom out. Maybe there is a way to zoom out from the screen or in the screen. But for me, I really don't know. If you just go to WhatsApp, so he will give you maybe like two options to call and or type a message. With Zoom, he will give you also an option to call something, but of course he will be asking you to for a permission to reach out your contacts. You can of course play a music on it, and see, as you see in this screen, I have three things to look at, and of course music, like there's a lot of things to do. And this is also still good because you don't really want to be every time get in the car and plug and unplug your mobile. Just plug this device or adapter for the first time, and every time you are going or getting in the car, you will be automatically connect with this device. So, and of course, as you see here, you can also make a call via the car, and maybe you can ask someone, so maybe you can also ask help from someone. As you see, I can still go back to the main screen in the car and do what I want. If you want to change something, if you really don't want to connect with your mobile, it's still available also. So that's of course very nice. So I hope it was useful. All the links for the company and where you can buy it also from Amazon, or there's also an affiliate link for me in the description. Please, if you want to buy it or decide to buy it, just buy it from the affiliate link. I will really appreciate it. And yeah, if you like it, give me a like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.